birthday.
My name is Regina. My name is Emmy.
And my name is Mariah. Say what we're doing.
Today what we're going to show you. Today we're going to do. We're going to show you how we're going to show you our pets.
Okay, let's
go.
Let's go.
You're going.
Okay, guys, here's our birds.
So these are our birds. These are our
We have
birds.
two. There's the mean one, and there's the nice one. Okay, let's go. We're gonna show you our little puppies.
Is that me?
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
Guys, we're running to see our puppies.
No, Mom, no, right now. Later. No, not right now, but not right now. Those are baby puppies.
Those are baby puppies.
We don't want to wake them up, and Bella's right there.
There's our big dog. Yeah, so those are all of our animals. Yeah. Oh, and we forgot one thing.
Fishies.
We have fishy, la la la. Okay, guys. No, Juno, wait, this one. And here's my fish. It's my so cute. It's a girl. So guys, that's it. Bye.